In today's video, I'm going to teach you SteelSeries GG not opening. If SteelSeries GG refuses to launch or seems to do nothing when you click it, the most common cause is a frozen background instance blocking new launches. We will start by clearing that. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, scroll until you find SteelSeries GG. Sometimes it may appear just as GG or with the SteelSeries icon. Right-click it and choose End Task. If you spot multiple entries, end each one so everything is fully closed. This won't uninstall anything, it simply shuts down stuck processes. Now, try opening SteelSeries GG again as you normally would. Many times, this alone gets it running immediately. If it still doesn't open, the next thing to try is launching it with elevated permissions. Lack of administrator rights can stop services and background components from initializing. Click the Start menu or use Windows Search and type SteelSeries GG. When it appears in the results, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If the app opens in this mode, close it normally afterward and then try launching it again from your usual desktop shortcut. This helps the app re-establish its components and sometimes fixes the permission hiccup that caused the problem. Another culprit can be third-party RGB or device customization tools that manage lighting and peripherals. Some apps, like Signal RGB, include features that automatically close conflicting programs to prevent overlap. If you use Signal RGB or similar software, open its settings and look for options related to managing or shutting down other background apps. Disable any rule that targets SteelSeries GG, or add an exception so it won't be closed. Once that's adjusted, try launching SteelSeries GG again. If the app remains completely unresponsive after these checks, a clean reinstall is your best bet to repair corrupted or missing files. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, and locate SteelSeries GG in the list. Click Uninstall and let Windows remove it. When that's done, restart your PC. The restart clears locked files and resets services tied to the app. After you are back on the desktop, head to the official SteelSeries website and download the latest GG installer. Run the installer and follow the prompts to set it up fresh. Installing from the official source ensures you get the newest compatible version. Try these fixes in order, and you should have SteelSeries GG opening reliably again. Thanks for watching.